Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I'm going to do my laundry today. I'm going to have my breakfast first, and yeah, we are here in McDonald's now. I just just arrived here coming from the place where I slept last night. Here in McDonald's, they actually have these kinds of donuts. Yeah. Also banana bread and muffins. Oh, get the coffee now. Yeah, it's very small packaging. I need to double check if it's the one. Yeah, and it is. So it's been a week since last week on my day off I was in Newcastle. What? Yeah, I was in Newcastle during my day off last week. And it's been 5 days and I am day off again. Yeah, feels like something is missing. It's good, yeah. This $11 actually. Sausage egg McMuffin, hash brown, and medium cappuccino. Maybe $13 or 12. Don't remember. This actually here in Nelson Bay. Yeah, a new laundry shop, but expensive. Yeah, these three, they are $20 each for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. These are $16, and the other one over there is $12. There is another one, $7. And then the dryer, they are $12 for 30 minutes. Yeah. So I already spent $20 plus $16 plus $12. Yeah, because I'm washing the white and colored separately. Comparing that to the washer and dryer in Nelson Bay in the Albura Marina, yeah, just $6. Yeah. Oh, I bought this. Yeah, from that machine. This $4 and this $3. Yeah, plus the washing and drying. Yeah, it costs money. It costs a lot of money to do the laundry here. Oh, it says 0 minutes. Now it's done. Oh, 1 minute more. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, today is the second day of my day off. I am here in Birubi beach. Yeah, I'm actually the only one here. No other cars. But I believe, yeah, the restaurant down there is open already. There are a few people over there. They are walking with their dogs. Yeah, and if you look at this is like a desert. Yeah, I mentioned several times that I did walk from that McDonald's area all the way to Newcastle. Yeah, I was walking for about 4 or 5 hours. Yeah. And usually during summer, there are camels in here. It is now 7:57 and I'm going to have a breakfast here. Yeah, we're getting down here. This Birubi beach is mostly for absorbing. Oh, it's closed still. At what time they are going to open? Oh, 8 o'clock. They will be open by 8 o'clock. It is cold in here. Very uncomfortable to the skin. It's a little bit better if you are under the sun, not in a shaded area like this. Must be staying under the sun. This is how it is inside here. And I was actually one of the first guests, one of the first customer. People are coming now. I actually ordered bacon and egg roll. Yeah, but the lady, the cashier, did not understand my accent. But it's beautiful too. Thank you. Thanks. I like it too. You know, a few days ago, there was a guy on Facebook, yeah, share his bad experience eating in this restaurant. Yeah, and so a lot of people, they share their comments. Yeah, they said actually all the comments are positive comments. They said that they have just good experience eating in this restaurant. Yeah. I don't know, I am curious how that guy feels that his experience is not good and he has the courage to share it to everyone in public, and then all the response are good experience with this restaurant. And now it's still not a lot of people. There's just one vehicle over there. You know, this camera is really good, the video quality, but yeah, really complicated to use. Easy to use, but need some maneuvering. I'm actually also tempted to buy Insta360 X5. And the picture that made me want to buy the Insta360 X5 is the Insta Frame. I know the Insta Frame result is just 1080p, but there's a way to make it 4K. That's why I'm tempted. Oh, hopefully this has a battery inside. Yeah, this is another good thing about this camera. Yeah, there is extra battery that you just need to, quick release, very easy to install. We are now here at the airport, actually McDonald's. Yeah. I still have this copy. And I am very near to go to Anaconda. Yeah, to buy a camera, Insta360. I'm really tempted. Yeah, I actually still have this, the Insta360 X2. But yeah, editing this video is difficult. Yeah, if you are recording the video in 360, after that, you need to transfer to your mobile phone or your computer, and you need to frame. Framing is also a big decision to make, very difficult, because when you are recording 360, it records everything around the camera. Yeah, and once you have it on your computer, you're going to decide, which one you're going to view. If all the views are beautiful around, it's going to be a difficult decision to make. And then after that, after framing, you're going to edit it again, just like a regular video. That's the problem with the 360 cameras footages. But of course, this can also records the same like a regular camera. But so basically the purpose of having 360 degree is to be able to catch everything, to capture everything around the camera. Yeah, and yes, the decision which one you want to be appearing on the video. Oh, I have tip here. Yeah, chef gave this to me. This one is the $24. Actually, I don't need. I have another $50 there. That $50 I withdraw it. I used to pay something. Forgot. Yeah, this is the $20. This $4. And another one is $5. Here in Australia, tipping is not it's not like United States that you are required to give tips. Not like yeah, but people is still giving tips, and so these are our share. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I'm actually watching Batang Quiapo. Yeah, and I'm always looking forward to watch this Philippine TV program. This is actually not good for mental health. Yeah. Very dramatic, too much. I sometimes cry, you know. But yeah, it's good to watch. Yeah, I'm still here in McDonald's here in Williamtown, and I made a mistake. Basically, I decided to buy a new camera, the Insta360 X5. Yeah, and so for me to be able to get more Qantas points, I decided to buy the gift card of Anaconda from Qantas marketplace. Yeah, because if you buy a gift card from the marketplace, Qantas marketplace, you'll be able to get points. You will redeem points. For every $1 is equivalent to 3 points, Qantas points. Yeah, so I bought 2 cards, $600, and yeah, I used that 2 gift card on the website of Anaconda to buy the camera. Yeah, to click and collect. But yeah, there is no stocks in the area, and the stocks available is in Sydney. The time now is 5:30, and so I'm going to Sydney. Tomorrow my duty is still at 12 o'clock, so yeah, it's okay to drive to Sydney. Oh, this is not good, but it's alright, I'll go. Yeah, I need to go because my next day off will be next week, and yeah, I need to go. Yeah, I'm excited for that camera. And because I don't have address, the address actually that I am using is the for every parcel, the address that I am using is the post office, the house post in Salamander Shopping Center. But Anaconda is not accepting my address. Yeah, the other store, online store, they usually accept like eBay and Amazon. Yeah, but Anaconda, they don't. Oh, the sun is blinding. Yeah, dangerous. More than I, more than I, God knows it's you. Love me just when I need it the most. We are now here in Sydney area. It's good that it's not traffic in here. This place is usually traffic. Yeah, the new arrival time is 7:24. Yeah, I left at McDonald's at Williamtown at around 5:58. Yeah, this is the tunnel of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. It means that this is under the sea. under the harbor, under the water. Oh, we are now here at the shopping center, and it's good that I am very near to the Anaconda. 7:31. I left at 5:58. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got the camera. I am now unboxing this camera. What else comes with this? A case, carrying case, and the charger, and the cleaning cloth. So this is how it is. End up coming here at KFC, and yeah, I have this meal. Initially, I was driving going to the Thai restaurant. Yeah, but I made the wrong turn. Yeah, and so it's difficult to go back. And that's why I end up here. Oh, this is now recording using the Insta360 5. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, this is where I sleep. Here in Wayong. This is basically here at the Hunger Jack. Yeah, petrol station. It is already 7:57. I'm just going to buy a coffee, and then I'm going to the gym, and then going to work. Yeah, I still have time. My duty today is 12 o'clock. Oh, cold! Already took a shower. Yeah, I'm going to change later when I get to the workplace. Basically, this towel is the one that I use to dry myself. I don't have a big towel. Yeah, because big towel is it takes time to dry, and yeah, it's not good to have something wet inside the bun. And this one, it dries really quickly. I still have coffee actually. Okay, let's go. What is she doing? Looks like Filipina, that lady. If I am walking, I'll probably greet